Every step you take is a step towards a healthier and more compassionate world. Walking daily helps us to improve our health. Your steps can make a real difference in the lives of children. With your help, we can provide them with education and resources they need to reach their full potential. Introducing Coinnate, the app that tracks your steps and converts them into rewards that you can donate to children and other chosen orphanage. It's easy to use and it's a great way to make a difference in the world. For the overview of the business, there are a lot of mobile applications that can detect, calculate your steps, but our application is about 10,000 steps is equivalent to 10 pesos, and that amount will be donated to orphanages for elders and abandoned children. With this application, aside from tracking your steps, you are able to help donate as well.
When you focus your marketing efforts on the right audience and right market, you are more likely to attract qualified leads and convert them into paying customers. This can lead to higher sales and revenue for your business. For Coinnate, the target audience are the following. The features of the application are the following. First is track steps. The application is a standard to reach 10,000 steps a day. Users will receive a notification regarding the ideal walk that needs to be reached. Second is a daily progress. In this feature, you will see if your target steps per day were met. Third is the choice of orphanage. Since your steps will be converted into money, you have the privilege to choose an orphanage you want to donate your points. And lastly is the donation code. Upon donation, you will receive a code that will serve as your points will be donated. Coinnate is an app that tracks your steps and converts them into rewards that you can donate to children and other chosen orphanage. It's easy to use and is a great way to make difference in the world.
Next is for the data and security of Coinnate. For the data and security of Coinnate, we have users' account data, where it includes the username and password, the demographic information, personal identifiers, and financial data. We'll also have the health data that includes the step count, calorie burned, water intake, and pulse rate. Next is the charity preferences, so users' selections of the charity program or orphanage to which their donations will be directed. We'll also have the user personal safety that includes bullying and stalking, privacy controls, reporting mechanisms, and privacy policies.
Aside from the application features, prototype, and data security, to be able to make this idea into true form, this is a development plan at Kansumi team. Presenting to you the system development lifecycle of the Coinnate mobile application. Space is the analysis and gathering phase. Gather requirements from different stakeholders. Second phase is a design phase, in which the design team begins to develop the application architecture and user interface, while the third phase involves the development phase, in which this will begin the Coinnate application. Fourth phase will be the training phase, that includes functional testing, performance testing, and security testing, while for the deployment phase is now available to the users to use either in Application Store or the iOS or the Google Play Store for the Android user. Lastly is the maintenance phase, in which includes regular updates, bug fixes, and potentially adding new features based on user. For the business intelligence, Coinnate mobile application uses a mobile business intelligence to track user progress and provide real-time insights into their fitness and donation goals. These allow users to stay motivated and make informed decisions about their health and well-being. With that, the Coinnate Tech team will assess the application performance using the identified specific key performance indicators, including the following. The Coinnate Tech team will assess the application performance using the identified specific key performance indicators, including the following: the number of downloads, active user, average time spent in an application, and the retention rate. First, the KPI indicator of the number of downloads indicates that it measures the amount of users who download the application. It is a key indicator that the app's number of users. Second, the active user. This KPI measures the number of users who have opened and used the Coinnate application in the past 30 days. It is a key indicator of the application engagement and popularity among the user. Third is the average time spent in application, a key indicator of the user engagement and satisfaction, in which a higher average time spent in application indicates that the user are finding the application to be valuable and enjoyable. Lastly is the retention rate, in which this measures the percentage of users who continue to use the Coinnate application after a certain period of time. It is a key indicator of user loyalty and the app stickiness. A higher retention rate indicates that the user are finding the application to be valuable and engaging enough to keep coming back. For the startup application costs, the essential costs that analysts have identified in this project are app development, app support, server hosting, customer support, marketing design, and planning. The Coinnate team will be needing a startup capital required to realize the Coinnate application is around 3 million pesos. That Coinnate team is considering taking external funding to help cover the startup costs. With that, the Coinnate application has the potential to be successful because the application has a potential target number of users and unique value proposition.
We are Team Kamsami showing you the Coinnate application. Invest in Coinnate today and start earning rewards for walking. Together, we can make a positive impact on the lives of others. Thank you.